Stop the scroll. This is your chance to own a spectacular Brisbane home with amazing sweeping views of the ridge and the San Bruno Mountain. Built just 12 years ago by the Toll brothers, this spacious 5-bedroom, 3-bath residence blends modern luxury with Brisbane's serene hillside setting and open mountain views. Step inside to an open floor plan, beautiful hardwood floors, and a chef's kitchen leading to a family room designed for entertaining. Downstairs, the owner's suite offers a private balcony, a walk-in closet, and a spa-inspired bath, which is your personal retreat right at home. 3 large bedrooms, a full bath, and a laundry room complete this level. Set in the tranquil Brisbane hillside, this home is just minutes to downtown San Francisco, SFO Airport, and the Peninsula tech hubs. This is truly luxury living with unbeatable convenience. Don't miss it. Schedule your tour today.